wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning, everyone. It's a Tuesday. It's the 13th of August. And we're off on a nice ride. It's supposed to be in the mid-70s today. We're gonna go out a little adventuring, maybe stop and do some shopping. We don't know. Do some little exploring, I guess. What do you think?
Yeah.
We got a few clouds coming in, but it's not supposed to rain. So stay tuned, subscribe, whack that bell, I'll smack that bell.
Smack it, crack it.
So you don't miss anything. Because we don't know where we're going. Welcome to Brookville. Nice little town. We're gonna check out the store.
Yep, flamingo.
Flamingo, pink flamingo. What's in the store today? Ah,
Hawaiian moo-moos.
moo-moos. And there's the courthouse. All kinds of little things. Well, it's a big town. I hope you enjoyed it. Checking out the view at the bench. We love this place. It's the bench. They've got a mailbox so you can leave notes. Beautiful.
Maybe it's one of those geobox things.
Oh, maybe.
Words of wisdom notes.
We love coming by here. Well, this is Reynoldsville. Look at the moose up on the... A quaint little town. So we got two gas stations. Beautiful. Wasn't that a Sheetz?
No, I think the Sheetz is up in the next one.
Oh, okay. That was the big town. Now we got the outskirts. Well, this is a part of Du Bois that we're going through. We don't know where we're going. But that's all right. Well, we're coming out of Du Bois. We're on 219. We went to the big Du Bois Mall. What a ghost town. Well, we had our walk through the mall, so all good. So now we're just winging it. And see where it takes us. Eventually head home. Stay tuned. They got a pretty view. Coming out of Brockway on 28. Sweet home. Thanks for coming along with us on our Wingin' PA on this beautiful day. But that cloud up there doesn't look too good. Woo. Don't forget, subscribe and whack that bell so you don't miss anything.